Hi, everybody. Thanks for stopping by and seeing what I'm up to. My name is Silkyfeather, and you can call me Silky. Before we start, Kevin's got some more news, and I'm excited to hear what he has to say because it has to do with unemployment monies and our stimulus. But before I do that, I am accepting, I'll be linking my address so you can send wigs, preferably new, masks, non-latex, or a costume of some sort, if it's makeup or whatever that you would like me to do. Through the month of October, every day, I will be somebody different. So I need 31 costume ideas. Okay, and it's like torso up. We're not doing like the whole body thing. So, like a wig, and if you want me to be a character and it needs props, whether it be glasses or like fake teeth or something, give it an all. Alrighty, on with the show. Thanks, guys.
Hey everyone, me Kevin here. Here are the current and most up-to-date time frame expectations for any possible stimulus relief coming down the pipe. First, let's talk unemployment. Then we'll talk P2P and forbearance. Then we'll talk stimulus checks. Then we'll talk capital exclusion and economic tax growth. But first, I want to remind you that the renewal rights are releasing tonight. But we're not making videos for long and motivated and inspired to create private support tax. Make sure to check out the First, unemployment. Do you know when the last time was that we had over 600,000 people applying for unemployment? It was when he phoned home, which was in 1982, and rumor has it everybody was home when he phoned home because they were all unemployed during the 82 recession. Well, now it's 2020, and things are 50% worse. In other words, there's over 900,000 people filing for unemployment in just 1 week. That's like a
Wow.
quarter of Los Angeles. How about it? Oops. That adds to over 31 million people already on unemployment. Here's the problem with that. It's not just the 31 million people who are on unemployment as opposed to the unemployment benefit or the caregiving or needing part-time needs unemployment. It's the entire economy, including, of course, local businesses, and other people relying on
Yeah,
this
it
benefit.
trickles down. Excuse me. The new guidelines say, oh, well, the states are writing to longer. New guidelines also say that you have to earn at least $1,200 on unemployment to be eligible for the $300. So states will give you Wow. 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 I'm stuck on stupid. I get $159. I believe it may be I get taxes taken out, so I want to say it's like maybe 189 would have been my take home. So not even $200. So I will have 559 a week.
Rethink their loyalties. Dallas Cowboys fans are now going, I hate the Patriots, but if I could triple my own heart attack by checking out the roster, I'll pay it. You know what it is? If you look at the defense, well, now I get a search as a coach. Mighty Dog are on runs. But when I check trends, I also find that searches for Congress blows, evict Congress, win the lottery, and I'm money from the IRS are also on equal rise. States like Hawaii say that state weeks or months to implement the entirely new unemployment boost program Donald Trump authorized last second. States like New Mexico and more modern say the hospitals live in a better place and have the money. And they have a lot of
Excuse me. I'm so confused.
which you can get in as little as 5 minutes. Link down below, right next to the link.
I'll make sure I add the links. Thank you very much for stopping by. That's it for the news. I do appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe and make sure your close friends and neighbors stay safe too. And remember too, when you wear your mask, cover your whole. This is what you need covered. Please don't wear it like this. Don't wear it like this. Don't dangle it. You want to cover your nose and you want to make sure this part of it is as close to your skin as possible. If you wear glasses, it's nice to tuck it right underneath the little edge of your glasses. And if you don't wear glasses, you probably should be wearing one of those face shields. The virus can enter through your eyes. It can. I know it's very hard to believe, but it can. Stay safe. Like, subscribe, and share. This is Silky Feather signing off for the night. Bye bye.